Hello everyone on YouTube land and wherever else this might be viewed on Google. But it's Mailbag Saturday, where I open up things I've ordered off eBay. This is one of my DX amplifiers. Okay, it's a pretty nice amp. The Hong Kong seller place and whatnot. It's Hong Kong airmail. Kind of slow, but it came. It finally arrived, and let's see. Probably see what it is. It says it's a gift, but it's not. I would call it a product, and it's worth about I don't know. I can't really read their handwriting, but that's the Chinese customs thing. The U.S. people probably check to see what's in there. This did have a heatsink in it, but I've only been in it to make sure everything was there. And it was what I ordered. But as you can see, it comes in some nice little bags. And I might build this on video, and I might not. It's a little bit tricky to build these, so yes, I will. So obviously the transistor insulating plates for a heatsink. The output transistors, nice metal ones, so that they are actually. I really even looked at one of them. I'll just take them out from here. Okay, so that's what they are. These little transistors. I wonder if they're all the same part number. So those two are the same. These two are the same. That one is the same as well. So they are the 4 SAN transistors, preamp transistors, transistor mounting screws, connection lugs. I like these. These are the decent quality ones. The circuit board for this stuff. So Long Hong Low brand. I'm not sure it doesn't have any maker's name. Sometimes I'll put their names, resistors, and all my capacitors needed to do them. So yeah. So my resistors. There's a heatsink thing in here. You had to be drilled, and I don't know how to drill aluminum, so I have some heat sinks from an old, an old Marantz which used these kind of output transistors, and then the Marantz was completely dead. Even with new transistors, I'll replace every single transistor in the whole entire Marantz, and it still did not work. It was dead as a doornail, unfortunately. It's kind of terrible, but that's just the way it goes, I guess. These look like you can use the metal ones, or you can just use the normal plastic ones of the same type. Like, I guess these are all NPNs, so, because they're all the same model number and same serial number and everything. Serial numbers varied, but by a few digits. And it says it's a little Class A. Yeah. So yeah, that's what came in the mail for me. Resistors I'm not too happy about because I don't know how to read resistor values, and the idiot, as you saw, did not send any instructions. There's this invoice, but you guys probably don't care to see that. If you do care to see it, please write a comment below and everything. And I believe these are Panasonic capacitors. These ones I don't know what they are, but all I know is they're just obviously coupling capacitors. I'll take one of the boards out so you guys can see it without the bag. So the audio coupler can go there. Capacitors and transistors and resistors. 100K, 100K, 22K. Let's see what that is. I'm about to sneeze. Audio output. Ugh. Sneezed in my shirt, and that's fine. Here's the way it looks. As you can see, the center is collector emitter. I probably could just use actual standard, plastic transistors as necessary if I don't want to use these guys. Because I got heat sinks with the plastic ones already on them, PNP and NPN. All I have to do is just get a set of 4 that match. And then just wire the wires incorrectly and everything. That's pretty easily done. But these guys I will need to have a little bit of help with to figure out, because I'm not too sure. The big ones, I know most of the big ones are going to be, the collector is going to be the center, so that's pretty standard for me. The littler, tinier ones, I don't know. I have no idea. And, it's showing I could either use, a standard plastic one. Looks like the plastic one would go there. I have to kind of trace out the pin setting. But it looks like the plastic one can go like that in there. So I don't have to bend the pins in a kind of an odd angle. But yeah. These ones I might actually put a little bit of a heat sink to. It's a little bit of a plastic. It's a little bit of a heat sink. I have some. That's my dog. That's my computer. And that's my other little lamp. That's my phone. Nice phone. Yes, I like decorating my phone with old Windows stuff. Molly is all perked up. As you can see, I do a lot of things with amplifiers because I got a big ass box of old amps. This one here is just a parts unit. I'm only keeping it for the rectifier and relay and the speaker outs and stuff. But yeah, see, like I said, all I have to do is just find a heatsink like this. I've already those on them, and just mount my actual ones to it. So yeah, there's nothing to that. It's got little preamps, kind of like these guys. So yeah.